Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview the Steelmaster Industrial AML3 1600 wide auto line. The AML3 comprises of twin 3.5 tonne motorised decoilers, as you can see there. We've got some 1600 coil on that. Then we come through the feeding line itself, so it's got a straightening line there, and we have an inline beading line there, so you can actually engage and disengage the beading rolls through those handles there. Then we come through the notch station. We have a combination V-notch and also rectangle notch, and then of course we have the shear and the folding stations. So the AML3 runs all those processes through this small footprint. Kaylin's going to take us through the actual control panel itself and just overview what these stages do.
So on the control screen we have access to full manual controls for all the appropriate sections. We also have access to automatic programs, which includes a two-piece duct, three-side duct, and a full square section duct. So to run a program on this, we can simply choose the duct type that we want to do. We can set up the sizing that we want to run through. So at the moment we've got a 300 by 400 duct. The quantities that we want to produce, and basically this can all be saved. When we want to start it, we can just hit start, and it's going to run through that by itself.
And that's the 4 sides of the duct which you need for your HVAC application. Now over the back here we've also got the Steelmaster Industrial seamer machine, so that's a vertical seamer just over there, and we've also got the Steelmaster Industrial double-ended TDF corner inserting machine. At Asset Plant Machinery we offer the whole range of HVAC machines. This is a 16 gauge lock seamer. We've also got HVAC folders and anything else that you need for your HVAC industrial manufacturing. So jump on assetplant.com.au and find our range of metalworking and sheet metal machinery. Thanks and have a great day.